Hey everybody, I just want to just do a quick video to show you how to do Noodle Tools if you weren't here. So Noodle Tools is the formal way to cite your sources, to be sure that you're not plagiarizing and to make sure that you're just doing your citation properly and you're giving credit to the authors that you researched. So the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to pull up your persuasive argument research page. Okay, so if you remember back when we started this, I told you to just keep everything. All right, keep the link, keep the title, keep the author, etc. You do not have to cite the sources that you researched but then didn't use in your article. So for example, if you pulled 5 articles but then only chose to use 2 of them in your essay, you only need to cite the 2. All right. So you're going to go to noodletools.com. The link is right here in ELA, and you're going to click login. All right. Now, the login is pretty simple. You guys have done this a million times. You're going to log in with Google. And it's going to ask you for your school, which is Sewell Road Elementary, and then your estimated date of graduation, which is 2028. So 2022 plus 6 years, so 2028. All right. After you get done with that, you're going to end up at a page that looks like this. Now, I already have one done, so you're going to ignore that. And what you're going to want to do is just click New Project. Okay. So the new project is for each assignment that you do, you have to cite your sources for a new project. So you're going to click New Project, and then the project title is Persuasive Essay. All right. Or Persuasive Essay number 2, whatever you choose to call it. I'm gonna do number 2 because I already did another example here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click MLA, and you're going to click Starter. Okay, this is the first time you've ever done this, so we're just going to do it really, really, really simple. All right, and then submit. Okay, and so as you see here, my project title, Persuasive Essay number 2, ends up in this menu here, and you're just going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, now it pulls up a bunch of these forms that look kind of, I'll show you this in a second actually. So after you click on to Persuasive Essay number 2, you're going to click New Source. So New Project is the assignment, New Source are the individual sources in the assignment. Now, when you click New Source, you're going to get these 4 options. 99% of you researched only from websites, so you're just going to click where is it? It's a website, and then web page. All right, and it's going to be all these boxes here. Now, what is going to be super helpful at this point is to pull up your information. So this is going to be my old persuasive essay topic of why the United States should get rid of the penny. So I'm going to, in another tab, pull up the article that I pulled my research from. Okay. Hopefully you listened to me and you kept the URL, so it's really easy to go back. Okay. So the first thing on Noodle Tools is URL, and that is the website address. So you're just going to go highlight it. You're going to do edit, copy. You're going to go back over to Noodle Tools, edit, paste. Obviously, you can do Control C and Control V. Second thing is date of publication. All right. The date of publication that I see here is October 10th, 2016. If Noodle Tools is asking you for something that doesn't show up on the website, it's not the end of the world. Sometimes it's going to have all the information you're looking for. Sometimes things are going to be missing. If it's not there, it's not there. It's not the end of the world. So October 10th, 2016, I'm going to put it in there. Nice little drop-down menu, October 10, 2016. All right. The most recent date of access is the last day that you went to find the article and look at it. Now, in your case, you just pulled it up. So it's going to be today. You're going to click today. All right. And you're done with that section. Next thing is web page. All right, so this is where you list the author. So the first thing you're going to do is roll, and you're going to click author, and then you're going to go back to your website. The author here is a person named Binyamin Applebaum, Binyamin. If there is a middle name listed, put the middle name. If there's not, don't worry about it. Applebaum is Applebaum. Suffix is third, junior. If it's there, put it. If it's not, don't worry about it. In some cases, your author might have multiple, or sorry, your article might have multiple authors. And in that case, you're going to just click this add contributor here. If it only lists one author, that's it. Okay. Moving on, web page or document article title. This is why the United States finally get rid of the penny. I'm going to just copy and paste that right there. All right. If you guys know how to do that, it's pretty simple. So that's that. Name of the website is a little bit different. This is from the New York Times. All right. So New York Times, you guys might have heard of that. That's, the name of the website. The New York Times. I intentionally didn't capitalize Times to show you that this website's going to give you suggestions. All right. So the first letter of the word Times should most likely be capitalized. They caught me on that one. So, if you see something like that pop up, change it. Publisher of the site is the company that puts the information out. It's not the title of the article. It's not the author. It's the company that releases the information. In this case, and in a lot of cases, the publisher is going to be the name of the website. Okay. Most times you guys are going to find the publisher or the company that put the information out in the top left part of the screen. So I'm just going to write New York Times there again. All right. Annotation, I don't want you to worry about. That's if you ever had any extra notes or any comments about the article or whatnot, and just leave it alone. So at that point, we have all the information here. We have URL, date of publication, the recent date of access, author. Again, if there's multiple authors, add contributor right there. Name of the article title, name of the website, and the publisher, and you have everything. If something is not listed, don't drive yourself nuts trying to find it. If it's not there, it's not there. It's not, not the end of the world, and you're just going to click save. Okay. In your persuasive essay, I asked you to cite two sources. So some of you have three, and that's fine. If you have to cite a second source, you just do the same process over again, and you just click new source and add a second one. For this example, I'm just going to do one. Because it's the same process over again. You just have to click new source twice. At this point, your information is already inserted. You got it in the sources of persuasive essay 2, and there's one final step. Noodle Tools is pretty clever, and it connects to Google Docs. So if you just hit the print icon, the drop-down menu has export to Google Docs, and you're going to click that. You are just going to hit submit when you see this export print thing here. It is going to ask you to connect it to your account, which you guys do a million times a day anyway. And look at that. You have your works cited page for persuasive essay number 2 in your Google Docs. At this point, you guys are going to go into your persuasive essay works cited assignment, and you're just going to attach it and turn it in. Okay, this is the final part of your persuasive essay. So this video is just for people that maybe need a refresher on this, or missed class on Friday before break and want to know how to do the Noodle Tools, because this is part of your persuasive essay grade. So thanks for watching. And if you guys have any questions, just grab me in class.